So what is a landing page? Now, there are many definitions of landing page. However, I'm going to cover landing page specifically for affiliate marketing here. So when you advertise online, you're going to send the traffic to a particular web page. Now, the web page where these visitors landed, the first page that they see, that is the landing page. In the conventional teaching of affiliate marketing, the landing page is where it provides some content and then it promotes the affiliate program. So let me just try to explain this in a more visualized manner, right? So let's say this is your landing page. In a conventional way of affiliate marketing, you advertise and then you send traffic to this landing page, and then this landing page will have link to promote the affiliate program. And the reason why there's a landing page is because most advertising platform doesn't allow you to send traffic directly to the affiliate program's website, right? So let's say you allocate $100 for your advertising budget, and let's just assume that each click costs $1 for simple calculation, right? So which means that with $100 budget, you'll be able to get 100 website visitors, 100 clicks, right? Now, the challenge with a landing page is that with a landing page, your cost per click is going to be more expensive. Let me explain to you why. Because when you drive 100 clicks or visitors to a landing page, not everyone who goes to the landing page will click on the affiliate link here, right? So let's say you can do a good job and 50 of these visitors who landed on the landing page click on the affiliate link, 50 of them, which means that you have 50 of them who will go to the affiliate program website and hopefully they buy something so that you earn your affiliate commission. Now, if you work it backwards, each visitor to the affiliate program website will now cost you $2 instead of $1 because it costs you $1 to go to your landing page, but not everyone goes to the affiliate program website, right? Now, what if out of the 50 people who went to the affiliate program website did not buy anything? Which means that you're gonna lose $100 because that is the amount that you have allocated for advertising. Do you start to see that this can be sort of a risky venture that you are doing it? So the way how I teach my students when it comes to affiliate marketing, we don't just send traffic to a content web page or a web page that provides review towards the affiliate program and so on, because I don't like to take risks when I'm spending money to advertise. So instead of just a content web page or just trying to connect them to the website, to the affiliate program's website, what I'll do is that I will create the landing page to become a lead captured page. So let's take another example. So instead of just creating a landing page and put some content on it, I'll create a lead captured page where I will ask for the visitor's email address. So they land on the landing page, and this landing page will ask for the email address. And this way, I'm building leads instead of just getting traffic. Now, why this is so important? Because now with the leads, I can follow up with them. Because the fact is that, what is the likelihood that someone sees an affiliate program product and decided to buy right there itself? Yes, there will be some, but is it fair for me to say that most people buy after several exposure and not just the first time, right? Now, by this process, the costing will be different again. So let's say the $100 budget, right? Now, when you send 100 people to a lead captured page, you're not going to get everyone to subscribe or to register or to give you their email address. Just like not everyone's going to click on an affiliate link. So let's say, instead of 50 people, because requesting someone to enter the email address, it's more work than just click on the affiliate link, right? So let's say you don't get 50 people to do that, but you just have 25, which is 25%. Now you have collected 25 email address, which are your leads. So with $100 ad budget, each lead will cost you $4. And you may be thinking, but that's even more expensive than $2 a click through the affiliate program website. But get this, first you get to follow up with the prospects towards the affiliate program that you want to promote. So let's say you're promoting a webinar funnel, right? Maybe they didn't register yet. Now you can follow up with them with the link to register for the webinar by the affiliate program, right? But it gets even better because the $4 that you spend to acquire the lead is a one-time off cost. However, you can promote more than one affiliate program. I mean, you can promote 5 different affiliate programs to them, or even 10 different affiliate programs to them. And how long can you send them emails? Well, so long that they stay subscribed, you can continue to email to them. So let's say you just send like 2 emails a week. In a month, you have 8 chances of reaching a prospect to buy something. But your cost, it is still the same, which is the $4 to acquire that lead at that moment of time. So let's just review it again, right? Is it better to spend $2 a click to go to the affiliate program website to get them to click on the link on the landing page, or spend a bit more, which is $4, to get a lead instead of a click? Now, of course, it's a rhetoric question. It's a trick question. The answer is, of course, acquiring a lead would be more profitable for you for long term. And that's how you build an affiliate business. Because if you, say, invested X amount of dollars to advertise and you have, say, built a list of 1,000 leads. And even if you stop advertising, these 1,000 email leads can last you for a while to continue to generate income for you by simply promoting affiliate offers to them.